Hello my dear friends, today I'll show you how play and win the Apple Fortune game by 1xBet. Okay, now you can see my official Telegram channel, my official links, Lucky Wings group and Lucky Wings. Yes, look at this. Okay, now you can see light timestamp. It's right here. Okay, now open Google, go to the 1xBet website. Okay, now you can see official website 1xBet. You can see official link. Just refresh the page. Okay, my friends, now you can see my balance today. You can see all games 1xBet. You can now choose the Apple Fortune game and look how I play without my hack. Yes, right now. Click into play. Okay, my friends, let's play. Click into place a bit. Okay, let's play. Okay, my friends, I have lost my money. I lost right away. Okay, now I will enable the hack extension. Look at this. You can see Apple Fortune game. Yes. Okay, now it's very important. You need to refresh the page. Yes. And look how my hack works. Okay, now click in the place a bit. Okay, my friends, let's play. Now is my hack. You can see the cells. You can see the beaten apple. Yes. And make the right next step to win. Look at this. You can see the beaten apple. Make the right choice. Okay. Okay, my friends, now click in the take winnings. Okay, I won. Yes. Look at my balance. I won. Okay, let's play future. I will make another bet and withdraw my winnings to my bank card. Okay, now click in the place a bit. Okay, my friends, let's play. It's worked perfect. Yes, you can see the beaten apple. Okay, now click on the take winnings. Yes, I won. Look at this. You can see how my balance is increasing. Yes. Okay, now click in the withdraw funds and withdraw my winnings to my bank card. Okay, now you can see my balance today. My balance right now. Okay. Now I need to enter my personal information of my card. Yes, my card number. Okay, look at this. It's the withdrawal amount, the status under review. Status under review. Wait a moment. Now you can see the difference method to withdraw your winnings. Different methods. Okay, now you can see actual website 1xBet. Different methods. Okay, look at the status approved. This is my balance and tactile date and 10 today. Okay, follow the link in my Telegram. Thanks for watching. See you, friends.